Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Induction.
What does the dictionary say?
A method of proving a given property true for a set of numbers by proving it true for one and then true for an arbitrary positive integer by assuming the property true for all previous positive integers and applying the principle of mathematical induction.
Math rap.
If something's true for one math property, then the assumption is that it's true for the rest. Well, that's induction. If one domino falls, what about the next? Induction is a method to prove that so will the rest.
Math rap.
Explain induction in your own words. For proper deduction, the production and construction of induction is best for proper instruction. If you feel a drop of rain, it's going to rain. If it rains, it will pour. If it pours, the rivers will overflow. If the rivers overflow, fish will drown. Give me 3 other weird and wacky examples of induction in action. Is it good to use induction? Why or why not? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!